Yeah, so I'm Chris Taylor. I'm a Year 6 teacher at Highfield Community Primary School in Chorley. So at our school we have 10 focused subjects, and so this term, the summer term, the design technology. So for us it's a big push, a big focus. We also want to cultivate a lot more computer skills for our children, basic hand-eye coordination using a mouse, typing. But really, because it's our focus subject, it's a really good opportunity to allow the children to access that design element and then also get a new product as well to have that sense of achievement.
James Robinson from Charlie Road Primary Academy. Because we're trying to enhance the computing curriculum and DT curriculum to make it more applicable to what the actual future jobs that the children are going to be doing. Just having an understanding of the different ways that it's so easy to make 3D printing and allowing it to integrate into the primary curriculum really quickly, really easily, and having loads of templates there to start off as a basis. Just the practical side of things, the ability to just do a simple project and adapt things from it and see that the children I know will enjoy it as much as I'm enjoying it, because they'll see the actual practical elements of it. I think they'll absolutely love it. I think that as soon as they see that there's something that they can actually create, that's not just on a computer screen, they can bring it to life. I think they'll really love the aspect of it. And it's just a challenge in me, is then bringing the intricacies of it together. To grow in my confidence and to allow staff to grow to their confidence. So hopefully by the end of the 3 years, we are fully integrated in 3D technology and hopefully somewhere into our curriculum. So then the children have an opportunity each year to enhance their learning with 3D technology.